Hi everybody, it's Bill from Xcentrick. Today we're going to talk about something that we really haven't spoken an awful lot about, which is our replica car builds that we do here in the shop. And we're going to look at the shop car, we'll call it, the 1965. This should be what they call a 427 car. We've built it more like a replica FIA 289 car. So I'll give you a quick walk around. This is one that we take to shows to show people the capabilities and the quality build that we do here. So this car, it's a little dusty in the shop today, but this car is done in a Chrysler, more modern color. It's a black forest green metallic, and when we shine this up outside, it looks green. A lot of people will come in and look at it and go, this is definitely a black car. It's not, it's green. We've got our own version of how we wanted to see the wheels done, and we're going to change these up shortly. This is an era correct style wheel, but in a 20 and a 22 to try and give the wheel well a more complete and filled in look. Inside, again, our own flavor on these. These seats are from England. We brought these in because we wanted to try them, see how they look. And Tim, our upholsterer, did his own version of the combination of a brown and black. We've carried the stripe all the way through and down, which is, again, unusual for these cars, but the Stewart Warner package, gauge package, a little bit of a change in the center of the steering wheel. And then, you know, the magic's under the hood, as they say. With this, we have our own 289 K-Code engine. It produces somewhere in the range of the mid 300 horsepower. We've got an AccuSump in it. We've got you know, the larger cooling and oil cooling system in it, just to give it a little bit more capability if and when we do take it on the track, just for track days. The car is totally streetable, a lot of fun. These things, even with this horsepower, the car weighs in at about 2,205 pounds wet. And with this kind of horsepower and this kind of weight, these cars will scare you. They're a lot of fun, so if you're looking for something like this, give us a call. We can get the kits for you. We can bring those in. We can assemble them, make them to your flavor, and you can have a lot of fun for not an awful lot of money. So give us a call.